Today we are at the International Boardwalk, the Redondo Beach, park right above it where I usually shoot my test shots. And today we're going to test something. It is the Type L bird of prey. Now of course this is one of my favorite pistols. Taken apart, it could fit almost in any coat pocket. It can fit almost anywhere. It can reach speeds fast enough to compete in just about any nick war, short of people using a hydro cannon and super soakers. By all practical terms, it's the fastest spring-powered Nerf pistol ever built. And today, we're going to take it down the brick tarmac. Each one of these spots are 20 feet apiece. And yes, I have to stand this far back with a bird of prey. Just like I would have to a 3K or a 2K or a Titan. Because this is exactly that powerful. Except for the fact that it is primable with one prime and loadable with one load. It does not need multiple actions to prime the pistol and get it up to ready. It's also a pistol. It's very small and very nice. Unlike that person cleaning their boat out with a, I think that's a hydraulic, I think that's a water actuated pressure washer. But at any rate, let's get this show on the road, shall we? The darts we're using today are going to be 4X darts. And we're firing 6 of them. Remember that the sharp fire got around 140 feet. But that's good. I could actually hit him. Watch. So that's level. Fire 2. Wait for this lady to go by. Let's just check those out because it seems to be like it's a pretty crowded day today. Okay. So as you can see, I started right here where my camera and my bag were set up. From here we got 20, 40. That's 40. We got 60. We got 80. We got 100. So I am about 100 feet back from my usual bench, curb, and pole, where I usually fire from. 120. 140. 160. And my first shot is right dead smack at 170 feet. I want you to look at that epic distance. I want you to see, let me go out a little bit, you can see that bag way, let's study this, that bag way over there. You got it, man. That's where I was firing from. This one just shy of 180 by a few feet.